The original Photon microlight, available in red, blue, white, infrared, and ultraviolet LED, operates on Energizer lithium batteries. To replace the batteries, you'll need a ballpoint pen or small pointed tool. First, pop off the back cap with the pen. Remove the battery. Place the new battery positive side up, the side with the words on it. White, blue, and ultraviolet LED lights use 2 batteries. Red and infrared use 1 battery. To replace the cap, align the tab and snap shut. LRI offers retailers an accessory kit for Photon lights. These kits contain many accessories, including a screwdriver, an extra screw for Photon 2, a hands-free necklace, Velcro for creative light attachment, a clip for hands-free operation, a custom lanyard, and extra batteries for any color of Photon.